Welcome everyone. Today I am going to explain the algebraic identity of chapter 2 polynomial. With the help of these identities we can do the exercise 2.5 easily. So let's do it. First one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Yes student, these three identities you are already familiar with these three. You have already used these three in class 8 by doing the chapter factorization. So next one is a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or we can write it a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b and 3ab square. Seventh is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab minus into a minus b, or we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Next is a cube plus b cube. This is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and next is a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Ninth is x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Next is last one is 10. A plus b plus c into a square x cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ce. Now these are the 10 identities which you have to use in exercise 2.5. First three you know it very well about these identities. From the fourth one I am going to doing the derivation of these identities, how we can derive these formulas by using these three identities. By using the first three, how we can derive the next of the formulas. So let's see. Fourth one is, so let's see the derivation for the fourth, which is a plus b plus c. One by one I am going to derive all these. You just know how we can derive this formula. You just have to keep these identities in your mind. You have in your problems by solving the questions. You just have to use this identity directly. You have no need to do the derivations there. I am going to explain this derivation just for the sake of your knowledge. You should know how we can solve it. A plus b plus c, we can write it x plus c. In place of a plus b, I am writing x here, x plus c here. This is x square plus c square 2cx. So x is a plus b whole square plus b. So solve it again. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus c square 2ac plus 2bc. Now collect them. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now this is the derivation for this identity by using the a plus b whole square. Next is a plus b whole cube. Identity of this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b or 3ab square. When we will take the 3ab common, this will become. So let's derive it. A plus b whole cube, at the place of this we can write a plus b whole cube as a plus b into a plus b whole square. A plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now multiply firstly by the a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b, a square plus b square 2ab, a cube plus a b square 2 a square b plus b cube plus 2a b square. Now a cube plus b cube plus ab square 2ab square, b b square, a square b 3 a square b. Now you can see the result and verify it. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab b plus a. So we can write in the commutative property, we can write this b plus a as a plus b. Now this was the derivation for a plus b whole cube. Similarly for the a minus b whole cube, what is the identity for the a minus b whole cube? We have to follow the same steps. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, or a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus. Let's do the multiplication again. You can see here, as per the first derivation, a minus b whole cube, we can write it as a minus b into a minus b whole square. And what is the a minus b whole square? This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's do the multiplication first by a, then by minus b. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A cube, a square into a cube plus a b square minus 2a square b. You can see here, you can check here, before starting the multiplication, there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So when we will do the multiplication, we will change the values of the sign of the all these three terms. So it will become minus a square b minus b cube minus plus 2a b square. Now collect it. A cube minus b cube 2a square b 1a square b minus 3a square b ab square plus 3ab square. Yeah, you can verify it from here, or we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Now this was the derivation for the a minus b whole cube. And the next is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We have to derive this, you can see a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus cd. So let's take its right side. A plus b plus c let's do the multiplication of these two terms. So firstly we will multiply the whole term with a, then with the b, then with the c. Now do the multiplication. A cube plus a b square a c square minus a square b minus abc minus a square c. For the next, multiply with the b, a square b cube bc square minus ab square minus b square c minus abc. Next, do the multiplication with the c. ca square cb square c cube minus abc minus bc square minus ac square. Yes student, you can see here, firstly we can write a cube and then b cube and then c cube. A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus ac square, you can cancel it by the minus ac square. Similarly, minus a square b, you can cancel it with the plus a square b. Where is it? Minus a square b, cancel by this, minus 1 abc, and next is minus a square c plus a square c. So cancel them. Next is plus bc square minus bc square minus ab square, cancel by this plus ab square, and the next is minus b square c, cancel it with the plus b square c. So what we have left? Minus abc and minus abc. It means minus abc is left up to 3 times. All values they are cancelled with each other. So you can see we are equal to our left side. So this was the derivations. You have to keep this identity in your mind. By using this, we will solve the exercise 2.4. It will help you a lot if you will remember it. Thanks for watching.